In this video, we're going to learn spelling rules for nouns. We're going to learn how to spell plural nouns correctly, which means that we are going to be talking about count nouns. Count nouns can be made plural. When we are looking at the spelling rules for plural count nouns, there are 6 rules to remember. When you want to make a noun plural, you need to look at the noun ending, the last letter. The noun ending will tell you how to spell the plural form correctly. Here are the 6 rules, how to make the change, and the examples. The first rule is that most nouns will just need an S. For example, plate changes to plates. You see that there's already an E here, so that means that I only add an S. I don't add another E, only S. Plates. Cup, cups. Snack, snacks. Toy, toys. Computer, computers. Banana, bananas. All of them here, I'm showing you the singular and the plural form. In Rule 2, you have to look for when the nouns finish with these letters or sounds, we need to add ES. For example, lunch, the ch sound changes to lunches, is. We need the E sound, is. That is the same for all of these examples here. Rule number 3, take a look at nouns that end with a vowel plus an O. Vowel means A, E, I, O, U. For example, radio. Before O, we have an I. That is a vowel. So because the noun ends with a vowel plus an O, I need to add an S. Radio changes to radios. Studio is the same. Before the O, we have a vowel, I, a vowel. Because the vowel is there, we need to add an S. So it changes to studios. Rule number 4. When the noun ends with a consonant and an O, we add ES, not S, ES. For example, mango. Before the O, we have a G. A G is a consonant, so it changes from mango to mangoes with ES. Potato, tomato is the same because we have a T, a consonant before the last O. Rule number 5. When your noun ends in a consonant plus a Y, we change the Y. Change the Y to an I, and then you add ES. For example, berry, like strawberry, berry. Before the Y, we have an R. An R is a consonant, which means that the Y needs to change to an I, like here, B-E-R-R-I, and then we add ES. That is true for the other examples here. Rule number 6. When the noun ends in an F or FE, for example, knife, life, wife, when the noun ends in an F or FE, you need to change this to a V. V and then ES. For example, knife changes to knives. 1 knife, 2 knives. Life changes to lives. 1 life, 2 lives. Wife changes to wives. Wolf, wolves. Half, halves. These are the 6 rules. Write them down and study them. You will use these 6 rules many, many times. There are exceptions to these spelling rules. Exceptions means they don't follow the rules. They are exceptions. Child is one child, but when we have 2, 3, or 4 or more, we say children. Children. No S. Child is singular, children is plural. Foot, foot, 1 foot, 2 feet. 1 man, 2 men. 1 mouse, 2 mice. If you don't know what this is what we're talking about. Person can be persons when there are few. That means 2 or 3, a small number. Or person can be people if we have many people. Goose, geese. 1 tooth, many teeth. 1 woman, many women, women. Roof, roofs. These are exceptions. They do not follow the rules. Practice number 1. Please pause the video here to do this practice activity. You need to complete these 5 sentences using the plural form of the word. Okay, now check your answers. Practice number 2. Pause the video here to do this practice activity. Complete the sentences using the plural form of the word. Okay, let's check. Here are the answers. If you have any wrong, circle your wrong answers and study them later. Okay, let's do one more practice. Practice number 3. Please pause the video here to do this activity. Okay, let's check your answers. Remember to circle any mistakes and study them later. So let's review. There are 6 spelling rules for plural count nouns. We need to remember these 6 spelling rules. We always need to remember to look at the noun ending, the last letter of the noun. That will help us make the correct choice. The noun ending will tell you how to spell the plural form correctly. The options are adding an S, ES, changing to IES, or VES. Thank you for watching.